Okay, we have this problem. A positive integer is 3 less than another. If the reciprocal of the smaller integer is subtracted from twice the reciprocal of the larger, then the result is 13 over 304, and find the two integers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to define first that x will be the larger number and y will be the smaller number. So this first sentence right here then would be y equals x minus 3. And then the second sentence would be the twice 2 times 1 over x minus 1 over y equals 13 over 304. And we can rewrite the 2 times 1 over x as 2 over x minus 1 over y equals 13 over 304. So from here what we want to do is we want to replace y with the x minus 3. Let me scroll down a little bit here, and I just dropped my pencil. I got it. All right, so I'm going to have my color codes back correct here. I'm going to have 2 over x minus 1 over, I'm putting x minus 3, equals 13 over 304. And remember, when you have all these fractions on this side with the x, we want to bring the x's to the top, so we want to multiply, cross multiply, and get common denominators. So that's going to be 2 times x minus 3 over x times x minus 3. So basically multiplying by 1, x minus 3 over x minus 3. And then minus 1 times x, and then the x minus 3 was there over the x. And this still equals 13 over 304. So multiplying, distributing all this stuff out, I get 2x minus 6 over x squared minus 3x minus x over x squared minus 3x. Once again, 13 over 304. And I can combine these into one fraction, which would be 2x minus 6 minus x, all over x squared minus 3x equals 13 over 304. Collect like terms, which would be these right there, which would give me x minus 6 over x squared minus 3x equals 13 over 304. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply 304 on both sides and then the x squared. So I'm kind of doing that cross multiplying again. So I have 304 times that x minus 6. And then I'm going to move the x squared minus 3x to this other side. From here, I would have 304x minus 1824 equals 13x squared minus 39x. And kind of moving everything to one side, I'm going to have 13x squared minus 39x minus 304x plus 1824 equals 0. Combining these like terms, I have 13x squared minus 343x plus 1824 equals 0. Now, this probably is one that would be very, very difficult to factor. You actually can factor it, but if you could not find these factors, I would have just thrown this in the quadratic formula, but I'm going to show it in factored form. Equals 0. And so I set this one piece equal to 0. And I set this piece equal to 0. When you solve this one, you're going to actually get a value that is not an integer, so we eliminate it. And so we get x equals 19. Remember, at the very beginning of all this madness, we defined x as the larger number. So it is asking for the larger number, which is our 19. And then, of course, we could find the smaller value doing x minus 3 or 19 minus 3, which equals 16. And so that is our answer.